Voila! Good morning everyone! Andito na tayo sa ating road trip, short road trip dito sa Spain. So andito tayo sa, they called it the Bardenas Reales. Ito ay isang disyerto dito na sa Spain. Itong Bardenas Reales is located in the Ebro Depression, which was formed by sedimentary materials that accumulated in a geological process which occurred at the end of the Eocene epoch. My God, hindi natin alam yan yung Eocene epoch. Alam nyo ba ang meaning ng Eocene epoch? Eocene epoch took place between 54 and 38 million years ago. Eocene means dawn of recent life. This is fitting name as many of the same mammals we had today, both on land and in the ocean, appeared for the first time during this era. Yun lang pala ang Eocene epoch. Ay isang malapit to sa Spanish and Basque. Is a semi-desert natural region or badlands of some 42,000 hectares. Spanish, Portuguese, Italian, and Jewish habitational name from Navarra. Navarra Basque, Navarrua, French Navarre, a larger Basque-speaking region now divided between Spain and France, but in the Middle Ages, an independent Basque kingdom. Malapit lang kasi ito sa border ng France, pero andito ito sa Spain. Dito sa Bardenas Reales, sometimes referred as Bardenas Reales in Spain, in Basque, Erege Bardia, yun ang Basque name, is a semi-desert natural region or badlands of about 42,000 hectares in southwest. The soil are made up of clay, chalk, and sandstone and have been eroded by water and winds, creating surprising shapes, canyons, plateaus, tabular structures, and isolated hills called cabizos. Bardenas Reales lacks urban areas, vegetation is scarce, and the many streams that cross the territory have a markedly seasonal flow, staying dry most of the year. Dito sa Bardenas Reales, marami na rin dito film na nag-shooting sa kung ano-anong company ng film, international film dito sa lugar na to. Kaya dinadayo ito ng mga Spanish o Portuguese at French. Ito, pinakamalapit ito sa amin. Dito pala na-shoot ang film na Game of Thrones. Filming dito ang iba, pero ang iba shooting din sa Iceland, sa Croatia, sa kung saan-saan dito sa Europe ang shooting ng Game of Thrones. Dinas Reales explore this unique Spanish Game of Thrones landscape located in the south of Navarra. Bardenas Reales is a semi-desert landscape with imposing canyons and unique formation. The region of Navarra is renowned for its lush, mountainous landscapes, particularly in the northern areas. However, within its borders, you can also discover a vast semi-desert expanse that appears as if it has been transported from another planet. Dito sa Bardenas Reales, this remarkable place is located in the southern Navarra. This arid area has eroded terrain featuring unique rock formations and striking canyons over the years. It has served as a source of inspiration of numerous film productions, including the acclaimed series Game of Thrones. So ang famous dito sa Bardenas Reales is primarily celebrated for their landscape that defy conventional expectations, of southern Spain. Located in the southeast of Navarra, this land stretches over 42,000 hectares. Their strategic position between the Pyrenees and the Ebro Valley contributes to an extreme climate and unique geological feature. Kaya pala ang hangin-hangin doon. Talsik-talsik parati yung aking picture. This territory has distinctive geological formation shaped over millions of years by the force of winds and water. Iconic structures such as the Castel de Terra Hell result from the relentless erosion, creating whimsical and dramatic shapes. Additionally, the region has served as backdrop for numerous film production. Voila! Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my short film and see you on my next city here in Spain. Thank you for watching. See you on my next travel vlog. Ciao, ciao!